You're gonna let him hit you like that? Go, hit him. What? Oh my God, really? Wow, what a punk. Hit him! Go.
Hello everyone, and welcome back. If you're new, hello. So I'm here eating cookies. These are bad for you. Take my advice. I still drink them.
It's cookie.
All you see is the cookie on the screen. Cookie.
Big ass cookie, to be honest. Look at that.
Really is. Like, boom, boom, boom. The size of my freaking boom, boom, boom. As remember, a couple of videos ago, my acceptance rate was at damn near 57%. Now my acceptance rate is at 42%, which is really, really bad. Not bad, but not great, you know? So we're gonna do a little quick ride along to see if we can up the ante a little bit. Let's do it. I'll eat my cookie. Cookie. All right, so we just got an order. We have 2 Wingstop orders, $14.55 for 5.3 miles. Let's take it, baby. This thing is good. Right by store. We're already here.
Right there.
Damn. Okay.
I mean, you can't walk from here, but it's right there.
Okay, yeah, because last time I could not walk. Okay.
Ugly ass.
Thinks I'm ugly, y'all. It's okay. I love myself.
DoorDash?
Yes. And I believe there's another one for Aaliyah.
Let's see how far back goes up the list.
No problem. Great. Thank you. Just finished picking those up. We are heading to our destination now. We're 8 minutes away from that one. Perfect. So this one says, leave it at the door, not directly in front though, so I can open it. Thank you. I get it though. A lot of people leave their like packages and stuff right in front because you know the double doors.
That means that that means that the door opens that way.
It opens frontwards, yeah.
Some people don't realize that, you know, you have to look at the hinges of how it's set up.
Yeah.
But like also like you always have to put it on the side, like somewhere far enough where they can open it.
That is funny. A lot of people do that. I've seen that even with Amazon. They just leave it right in front of the door.
They like put it against it.
So when the customer opens the door, they're just gonna hit it. They can't get out. Like, sir, I can't get out. What the f? There's a big shark on the damn car next to me. Just in case you guys don't know, when you have double orders and 2 addresses to go to, or even multiple orders itself, when it comes to DoorDash, you are able to pick which one you want to do first. All you have to do is go to the little 3 dots on the top, press that, and then select the next customer, and then jump to task. That's all you have to do. Just jump to the next task. Sometimes the order that DoorDash may have it doesn't seem right for you, or you just don't want to leave the area and just want to come back in it, and that one actually makes you come back in it. You're just gonna go ahead and do that, because if not, then you're just gonna be wasting your time. Just in case you guys didn't know that, you can actually pick what location you want to do first.
Either for pickup or for drop.
Yeah, either for pickup or drop-offs. And I don't know if any other app does that though. I haven't seen Uber. We've experienced Uber for years and haven't been able to do that. But DoorDash, I think, seems to be the only one that does that.
You go to the location, the one that they told you, and the order's not ready, you can jump to the next task instead of wasting your time sitting there.
Yep.
Sometimes also the apps, like, they'll send you to the furthest one out or whatever, and you just want to go to the nearest one to drop off the food first and then go to the bottom, you know.
Yeah, it's true. A lot of times they send you to weird places that you're like, what? Am I in the right location? Information passed through the app does not go straight to Google the way it should.
Yeah.
So a lot of times I would suggest just telling Google where you want to go instead of relying on the app itself.
Yeah, it's taking us to weird places. We have it on film, we send it to them. It's still doing the same thing.
Ooh, Grubhub. I'm on another job. How about that, Grubhub? Let's drop off this package. All right. That's delivered, sealed, and gone out of my hands. We're on a total of $6.55 for that one order right there. On to the next one.
Thank you. You too.
Earned a total of $14.75 for that order. Finished dropping it off. I'm getting another one for $14.75 for Chick-fil-A, 12.3 miles. I'm going to respectfully decline that. I just got another one for $13.75 for 9.7 miles. Sonic Drive-In. You know I hate Sonics, but we're gonna do this. We're definitely gonna do this. I don't care. Okay.
Imagination.
I don't care. We're gonna do this. So make sure the desserts. make sure the desserts. God, why do I say this desert? Make sure the desserts are included with the order. If there are no desserts items, ask the staff to confirm that it was included. Okay, how are we supposed to do that? But okay, whatever. We're gonna go look inside the bag. We're at Sonic's. Let's go get Sonic key. All right, got these in here. Desserts and the food. Our stop is 15 minutes away, 6.7 miles. Leave it at the door, and we are heading straight over there. Just dropped that off. Made a total order of $13.75 for that order. We're still in the zone. I knew she was gonna say it. So far we made $28.30 in an hour, which is pretty good. Hopefully get some more orders. Get a Serranos for $6.50, 3.1 miles. Hi. Picking up for Kyle. Oh, cool. Thank you. Thank you. Have a good one. Just picked up that order. We're heading straight over to deliver it. 7 minutes, 2.8 miles. Whew. All right, just dropped that off. Earned $6.50 for that order. And we are out. No, we're actually still in the zone. She didn't say it, thank God. So I am respectfully declining another order. $10.25 for 9.5 miles. Number one boba tea. Could go for some boba tea right now. So the Buffalo Wild Wings came back. The $7.75 for 5.7 miles. Like that just discourages you from wanting to get your acceptance rate up, because they keep bringing you the same exact order back to back. All right, everyone, that's where we end our night. Made it back home and we received a total of $34.80
for 1 hour and 15-minute active time, 2 hours and 38-minute dash time. Obviously not what I wanted, not what I expected, but we only did practically 2 hours worth of DoorDash out there. And as expected, my acceptance rate went to 40%. It was at 42 in the beginning of this video, but I declined 4 orders, I believe. They were completely not worth it. So with that being said, you always have to be picky no matter what. If you're going to go for your acceptance rate, then you have to pick whichever orders you want. But we're going to try to get this acceptance rate up together. We got some goals to reach, so let's reach them together. This has been your boy Chaz. Thank you all so much for the love and support. Be there soon.